My name is Conor. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Dundee in Dublin. Esri Inc. is a geographic information systems company based in Redlands in California. Esri Ireland is a distributor for Esri Inc. We distribute software all across the island of Ireland, and we do professional services work for our customers as well, which can be both organisations within government or private sector employees, as well as non-governmental organisations as well. I wanted to apply for the Esri Ireland Graduate Program mostly because Esri Ireland is a market leader in the GIS industry, so we have really great clients that we get to work with in all sorts of different sectors. The grad program is structured around a number of rotations through all the different departments in the business, so that includes tech support, the commercial team through sales and pre-sales, a technical research, professional services and also marketing. My role involves rotating through all the departments, and the first one I started working was in technical support. So that involved helping customers who were having issues with the software or getting them set up on our products and software for the first time. Now I'm working in the marketing department, which is all about promoting ourselves and promoting our software and showing off the capabilities that it has. One thing that surprised me about the program in a good way was the amount that I've got to work actually face to face with customers and really engage with them, as well as shadowing other people who would give presentations to customers as well. And then after that I would be able to do my own piece and actually work with the customer, which was great. I've had a lot of highlights from my time on the grad program. One of them would be having a map that I worked with the other Esri Ireland graduate be published in the Irish Times, and that was a really great experience. Esri Ireland is designated as a great place to work, and I definitely have to say that I've found that to be the case throughout my time here. There's a lot of mentoring that goes on. There's also loads of learning opportunities, so I've had time designated throughout my week to do different training courses, and they'd be both technical training courses on GIS as well as more professional and soft skills ones like presenting. My advice for somebody who is applying to the grad program would be to be honest about your GIS experience, be yourself and show your own personality, because I think that's what really helped me in my application. If I was to sum up my experience in 3 words, it would be exciting, challenging and fun.